The whales are playing around with us. You see, we broke down the symmetrical triangle, and usually the price target from this symmetrical triangle should be around 88k. However, we're trying to break again inside of the symmetrical triangle, then the price target changing to 110k approximately. I'm still in my long position, over $5 million long position. My Pepe trades right now $1.1 million, almost $1.2 million in profits. I have another trade open also on BitUnix. It's right now, wait, I have to refresh. Also a Pepe trade, Pepe long trade, because Elon Musk really just shielded on his Twitter account. It's crazy. It's really crazy. Wait, my internet is not so good. So this one is right now, it's switching between profits and long profits, and yeah, it's break even at the moment because it's another trade. BitUnix is a non-KYC exchange, the best non-KYC exchange. You can check it out. Link is down below, and you get up to $5,000 bonus. So it's amazing. What I told you already, I think we could see, for sure we could see 90k again, for sure we could see 90k. So but what I think, because the funding rate cooled down already, we see also the spot volume went down exactly to these levels before we saw a new pump. We saw the open interest really cool down, so we are ready for another pump here, in my opinion. I'm very interested how we will see the ETFs inflows today, and today at Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, but we are heading to new moon. And new moon, you know, usually on full moon, on full moon, and usually on full moon we see a pump. So we will see in 6 days full moon. On new moon we see dump. And what happened? What a surprise! We had here this dump. You see, it was a dump of over 12%. This is exactly what happens on new moon. We could see another dump to 90k, but I don't know. We have very strong market at the moment. You see, it's consolidating the whole time. Also, the weekly candle was extremely strong. It was a very clear weekly candle, which we closed at over $100,000. So in my opinion, and I could be horribly wrong here, but in my opinion, this is only fake out to the downside, and we will see another pump to 100k. Even if we see today in the night a week down again to 90k, I'm pretty sure we will see during this week, we will see pump to 100, 110k, or even 120k, possibly 120k. This is the moment where I think we could see drop down to 80 or 80 or 70k. But this, I think, will happen in January. This is usually happens when we see that the institutions and the people taking profits to pay their taxes, which they have to pay in the new year. So, but right now, historically, we had always, in the history of Bitcoin, we had the December month was always a crazy pump month. So here you see it, for example, the previous bull run, we had December exactly starting here. Wait a minute, I show you. So from here till here. So this was the period when we had exactly the price action of Bitcoin. And what we had in the first half of December, we had a consolidation, even slow downtrend, and in the second half we had a huge pump. So this pump was approximately in December 70%, until start of January it was 130% pump. So I don't expect obviously that we will see 100% pump, that we will go to 200k, because we have a bigger market cap of Bitcoin, but I expecting for sure that we will go to 110 or even 120k till end of this year. And I expecting that Ethereum, since Ethereum closed a crazy monthly candle, we closed a clear candle above, and I have to search it, ETH USDT. We closed a very, very clear monthly candle above our symmetrical triangle. There was a wick above, you see it here, small wick above, and the price target is of the symmetrical triangle $8,000. It is possible with this huge ETF inflows, which you see here, we had over almost $500 million ETF inflows. This is historically the biggest Ethereum ETF inflow which we ever had. I expecting that we could see easily $6,000, $8,000 Ethereum this year. Yes, it sounds crazy, but it could be faster than you think. I mean, we saw it with XRP, for example. What I should say about Pepe. Pepe has a clear double bottom here. We are heading here to our next Fibonacci 1618. I'm pretty sure Pepe will flip Shiba Inu and probably in 2025 even Dogecoin. If you don't believe me, it's okay. Just check out the volume. Just let's watch the numbers. 10 billion volume today. This is the fourth largest coin by trading volume today. It's bigger than Dogecoin by trading volume, bigger than even than USDC, and bigger than Solana, bigger than Chainlink, bigger than Cardano. It's bigger than Dogecoin, Shiba Inu together. Just imagine, it's bigger than the two number one, number two meme coin. Number one is Dogecoin, number two is Shiba Inu, number three is Pepe. And Pepe is bigger than they both together. And the market cap is 11 billion, but the trading volume is almost the same. Can you imagine how big that? I think you cannot even imagine. And what we need in order to flip Shiba Inu is we need to reach exactly market cap at the moment of 18 billion. So it's 17 billion Shiba Inu market cap. Pepe is almost 12 billion. So we need approximately 7 billion, 7 billion dollar more inflow into Pepe to flip Shiba Inu. Imagine this news. Imagine the news that Shiba Inu, that Pepe flipped by Shiba Inu. This will be huge news, where we'll see even more volume coming in. And since Shiba Inu is growing very, very slowly compared to Pepe, look, only in the last 7 days, 36% Pepe, 2.7% Shiba Inu, 4.4% Dogecoin. It's nothing compared. All the altcoins, you cannot compare to Pepe. This is really crazy. It's not because I'm investing in it. Obviously, I'm very emotional about it, but I did the research before I invested in all of it. And I'm watching right now, and I could be horribly wrong, but I just show you what I see here in the charts, and it's crazy. 11 billion in 10 billion in volume. That's crazy. Look at Shiba Inu, 2 billion volume, but almost 20 billion market cap. Can you imagine? And since Shiba Inu is growing slowly, I think it could reach 20 billion market cap. And Pepe, by the day when Pepe will flip it, Pepe will be by 21 billion. And this would mean Pepe would go to price around 0.00005. I'm expecting approximately between 4 or 5. This is the where I expecting it will flip Shiba Inu, and in Q1, Q2 2025, I think it will flip even Dogecoin. And why? Because we saw several days ago, and it's crazy, we saw several days ago Elon Musk was shilling Dogecoin on X, and still Pepe was by the fact of 2 or 3 more trending on X than Dogecoin. Imagine how crazy this is. Even though, usually when Elon Musk is shilling a meme coin, it's like the number one trending on X, but it was yet Pepe. And my theory is this will be the biggest fight since GME, where we had the retail fight it with this big institution, big money, to squeeze the shorts, to trigger the shorts and squeeze all the shorts, so they pumped the price, which was crazy and all over the news, and they did even a movie about it. I think the same will happen with Pepe against Elon Musk, because he will start to shill more Dogecoin, because this is his reputation. He even named a whole government Doge. But the normal people will still win. I have the feeling, you can call me crazy, this is only my feeling, but for sure, in my opinion, we will flip Pepe. It's 2x from here, and from this moment, we will go even higher, because this will trigger a lot of news and more attention. More attention means more money. This is my theory. I stay in my Pepe long $5 million long position, which is right now $1.5 million in profit, $1.15 million in profit. Thank you everyone for watching, Bratan. And if you also want to go long or short, by the way, in BitUnix, $100 in profit. $100 in profit. This is a 50K position. I can't remember. I have to $30K $1,000 position, not as big as there, but yeah, this is a non-KYC exchange. Check it out. If you want to support me, you can use, for example, BitUnix, the link, or BYBIT or BitGet, whatever you want, because anyways, you pay trading fee to the exchange when you trade, but then a small percentage goes to me. And this is amazing because I keep this channel absolutely ad free. I'm not paid by Pepe or any other altcoin. I just putting my money where I'm doing my research, and I do it completely for free for you. So if you want to support me, you can make a registration, or even you can switch if you didn't have a registration through my link. If you're trading to some other exchanges, you can switch to any of these exchanges, BitUnix, BitGet, or BYBIT, link down below, and you will support me. And on BYBIT, you get 0 trading fees for 30 days, which is amazing if you are trading with high volume like me. On BitGet, you get up to $8,000 bonus, and on BitUnix, it's a non-KYC exchange, so you can use it without showing your data. That's amazing, by the way. It's crazy that we have to do KYC actually. Anyways, but on BitUnix, you can do it without KYC, and you can get the bonus up to $5,500. So check it out, links down below. I kiss you, and I see you later. Mwah.